Hello everyone and welcome to my unbox video once again. As you can see, we have the new red package from Soft99 Europe, and I have been told that this package contains something very secret and special product. So now we're gonna open this together once again. Soft99 tapes everywhere, as in the earlier packages too. I don't know where the package is from, but let's see what its secret it's hold. Box full of goodies as always, and I have told to look for an orange box, so it should be somewhere in here. Let's see what we have here. We have Clago once again. Let's put it there. We have some mirror shine. So this is dark color. This is wax. Pretty awesome stuff because it says mirror shine. It makes your car look like a mirror. Silicone off. This is for taking all the grease and those, what it says. It's for lacquer to before waxing. This takes all the silicone and all those cleaning stuff off the, so it's as clean as the car could be with this product. So it's used before waxing. So first this, then this. And we have, this looks like it's spraying on tires. So it says in Finnish that this is revolutionary tire sauce. Okay. So this basically, it shines your tires, the rubber parts, to look like new. And then we have very good product, sticker remover. If you have any stickers, badges, those on your car and you want to remove them, this stuff takes the glue and others off, and also for the hardest stains what is it will remove those too. Then we have what is this? New pitch cleaner. This is for also for the very hardest stains like oily asphalt, insects, all those what sticks very hard on your paint. That stuff is to use for those. It's very good on these summer times when there's insects and all. Then we have Dioclos Kira Edge, and this is for the tires. Okay, Clago Plave. Okay, shining the tires and protecting the tires. Then we have another, I think this is also another wax, water block wax, dark and black colors. Smooth egg. Oh, this is this is a clay bar. If you want to machine polish your car, you can use the clay to use before. It takes paint, iron, tar, any of those, and it will be the before applying the wax or polish or the coating, it's important to use that one to make sure that the surface is clean as it could be. Then we have chrome cleaner. Any chrome parts of your car, this will polish them like looking like better than new. I have some chrome parts on my car, so we can try that on some time. Then we have, these are for the engine. These are actually very good ones. Any plastic parts on your engine that shines and washes and polishes those, I know, I have used those stuff, it's very, very good. Then again we have micro liquid compound, which is this will cover small scratches and will return your car to the original shine, and it's for the hardest, stickiest dirt what your car has. If you can't remove them in a normal wash, that stuff is to use to take them off. Okay. Then some spray guns. Luxury gloss. This is for the waxed surfaces. You can use it to maintain and service those coated and waxed surfaces. It will gives it a new shine and make the compound coating or wax last longer. Iron Terminator. So this is basically a wheel iron, which you will spray this on your wheels if they are black and brake dust and all those in your wheels. You should spray this and let it take effect. Sometime it will changes the color to that violet one, and then you just wash it off with a pressure washer, and your wheels will look like new again. Very big. Oh, this is a big bag of that Iron Terminator. It's very useful stuff. Very useful stuff. And there we have the orange box. The surprise top secret product. It says Clago on the top. Chemical liquid super wiper. And in the box there is 13 years of perfect visibility. So this is 13th anniversary edition of Clago. And it's called this is the birthday boy. Lago Rollon Large. But he is called the biggest ever. He is the Clago Max. It's very, very big package. Huge applicator, as it says. And 13th anniversary. 13 years of invisible wipers. And this is the newest. The biggest. It's the Max. And we have small surprises here. Some keychains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 keychains each. So this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and take my Instagram, Jeza and Black Logia. Make sure you follow me, and on the meantime go and follow Soft99 Europe and Soft99 on Instagram for more updates and very useful and cool. Car protection, car wash, all car related videos and stuff. You can actually learn something from those videos, as I have learned a lot watching those and watching the products, how they use and how they work. So take care, good summer, bye bye.